Hey, YouTube, what's up? We're going to do Pretty Sick, Self-Control. Starts on C sharp. We're just playing a power chord. If you're playing a bass, you just use your C sharp note on the 4th fret. Playing guitar, you can play a power chord like this. Okay, so the song starts on the chorus, and the chorus is don't have no self-control. So that is a C sharp to B to D, back to C sharp. C sharp, B, all right. So, and I'm playing it all on the 5th string and the 4th string. If you were playing bass, you could play it all on the 5th string. All right, so that's the chorus, and then the first part of the so that is starting on the 9th fret, and we're playing this on the 6th and the 5th string, your low E and your A. So you go 9, 7, 9, 10. That repeats. Then we go down to the 2nd fret for that F sharp. That's how it ends. That's the first part of the verse. But the second part is. So it's very similar to the first time, except we go up. So we start on 9, 7, 9, 10. Then we go up to 12, 14. Yeah, that's the whole scale. Every scale has 7 notes in Western music. So B, that's at a 2nd fret, 2nd, 4th, 5th, 7th, 9, 10, 12. Then it just repeats. You're repeating you're an octave up. So that's the scale that's being used on this. I don't know what kind of, some kind of minor scale. And all the chords are coming from that. So if you were going to play on a bass, it would be 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye-bye.